Hello, I'm Wagafish, and I want to go over the shop for the game Knossium, a game I've been working on. So, the shop, what you'll see right now, is completely different from what I have planned. And this is the exact part of the document which shows what the shop is supposed to be at the beginning. But things changed, did playtests, some things couldn't be possible, and some things that I did not plan very well. First off, we have the things that didn't make it is being there for a set amount of time, although it is now for a much longer time. And then you sell like whatever items you have before the market closes, and then you have the left menu items, the right menu is the buyable items. And then here we get to the first point that is not in there. Watch out, you can't unsell. You can buy back your stuff because there was a change to the shop. It used to be that when you sell it, you can never get it back. It's not put into the shopkeeper's inventory on the right. Now in this version, I've added it back because it really made no sense that you can't just buy it back, although it's going to be a marked up price. And because I have made a change to the shop where the items are random and the amounts are random. It used to be not random on how you get your items, how much of the amount. It's always like 999,000. But I changed that with the other changes when it comes to selecting the amount. Now we have the thing we do keep, the upkeep menu. That's pretty important. You need to know your upkeep for the game for selecting items. And then the biggest one that I really wanted to keep but couldn't is the price changing. I wanted to have it where the price would fluctuate like a stock market. That's the thing I was going for this thing. But with how I set up the thing in the beginning, where left menu is the items and the right menu is Bible items, it didn't come at me at the time that I should have done something more simple like a bidding system. But now we have something more like, if you ever played Starlars, this is somewhat of trading. Now on to the next part. I have some code left over, and I'm just like venting frustration because it would have been cool to have this, but with the current way of having the Solaris trading with real-time value changing, it would make the shop experience very terrible because you're trying to there's already some gambling to the shop already, and having it fluctuate really makes it hard for you to know the price of an item and be able to buy it within the time limit, and it might be a bit too frustrating. So that's why I removed it. So I do have does value change, and then I have all these functions ready to go, and it's never used, unfortunately. I might add back the random price when it loads the shop, not for when it changes every second, but that's to be seen. Anyways, that's it for this thing. Next thing would be talking about maybe the other things that did not get implemented like way differently from what the document says. Anyways, yeah. That's gonna be the some next couple videos. I'm gonna put this out there. There is a demo you can get for the game. It's very much work in progress, but it is out there on itch.io. You can play it, and it'll be a good thing